In this video, I will show you how to delete your saved payment method from Google Chrome step by step so you can remove any unwanted payment methods quickly and safely and keep your information secure and up to date. To get started, open up a new Google Chrome browser, and what you want to do is head over to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots to open this menu, and then hover over the passwords and autofill option. On the submenu that comes up, you're going to see an option for payment methods. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. So from here, you're going to find all your current payment methods which are saved to Google Chrome. To remove any of these, let's take my Revolut MasterCard for example. All you need to do is come to the right hand side of this, click onto this small icon, and that's going to load up your Google Wallet and also the selected payment method. Now from here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of this page, and at the very bottom you're going to see an option to remove payment method. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window like this, asking if you want to remove this payment method. So of course removing it means you won't be able to use this payment method for other Google products and services without first of all adding it again. All you need to do at this point is click the remove button, and what that's going to do is remove this payment method from Google Chrome. So that is how to delete a payment method from Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.